Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm going to try to do a kindling splitter out of these pieces of steel right here. And this is some 3/16. It's probably a little overkill, but I had these just laying around. And you can probably do it at an 1/8 inch if you wanted to. But you can kind of see what we're cutting out. We'll cut these pieces out. Cut that out. Then it'll be kind of some teeth on there. Up here we'll drill a hole. It'll have an arm in between the two. But anyway, start off trying to cut these pieces out. I'm going to stack the two together. Clamp them down real tight and try to cut them at the same time. Alright, I'm just using a square, kind of use it as a straight edge. I cut these teeth at about 1.5 inches apart, and in the end I think I should have made them wider. I think wider, maybe 2.5 possibly. Will give you more room to hold the log. But this is the first time I made one of these. I'm kind of trying to fill it out. Everything's cutting just fine, stacked up like that. That only makes it about 3/8 thick. And as long as you get them squeezed together pretty good, it normally cuts all right. This is the Harbor Freight titanium plasma that I'm using. Getting the bolt hole good in the top of this. Then just trying to get everything square so I can tack it up. I'm using a piece of 1-inch flat bar as a spacer. Putting a couple in the middle to stiffen it, and then the top and the bottom. I started to cut some spaces out of the sides there. It'd probably look better if I did. Just a rectangle or something, not necessarily a design. Looks like the side of a Christmas tree, like that. On the blade, this is just a piece of 1/4 inch that I'm grinding down. It's taking quite a bit to grind it down too, because the bevel needs to go back a ways. I went back pretty far, but it could still probably go back further. This is a little bushing that I'm putting on top of the handle that the bolt will go through. And then on the handle, I've got an old piece of pipe there. I tacked a washer on top of it and then grooved it so the blade could slide down in there some. Make sure you get plenty of weld. And these are just some mounting brackets on the back side. Alright, y'all, I did a little bit with it. And it's working pretty good. Got a little pile. That's red oak down there. And this is hard too. But it's not working as efficiently as I would like it to. And I'm going to go back and try to redo some stuff. I think what I'm going to do first is redo that body and make the bottom angle out some. See if that'll change the leverage on it. But I'll change that body and use the same arm. And then if that don't change it, then I'll change the arm also. But anyway, it worked out pretty good. Just needs a few tweaks in it. I didn't temper that blade or anything. I'm just tapering it back. I believe I need to taper it back some more because it's 1/4 inch. I should probably try to temper it, but I don't think I will. But anyway, that'll do it on this one. I'm going to go back and try to redo that body here soon and see if I can change the leverage on it and hopefully make it a little easier. But if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.